guys, is as follows. Today I will show you how many a person who supports 200 RAS per month she will receive after a period of 35 years. Only there is a however. This contribution of 200 RAS will not be during 35 years. Will be only until the estate reaches the mark of 20,000 RAS. I will also explain the whole account behind you of taxes, and I'll give you some other reasons why you should start investing as soon as possible. So it's curious. Stay with me for this video. Bora there. Next gallery o. Initial size of 0 reais, ne? We have nothing, no accumulated assets there. We don't have any accumulated assets, so I'll start with 0 reals. Only we will have a monthly contribution here every month. 200 reais here, beauty. It's a fee. 12% per month. Over a period of 35 years. Okay, you must be wondering, but 12% a month. It's very good. In fact, the rate is red today. It is in the... Well, the Selic rate today, it is in 14,75% per year. The Selic rate is valid today. Then, we have been investing here for 35 years. A rate of 12% per year, 200 RAS of contribution. We will be investing during those 35 years. No. We will invest to our contributed heritage. Reach 20,000 RAS. So we are contributing 200 RAS a month. When our assets reach 20,000 RAS, we will stop contributing and will let the money yield there. To see how many we will receive. At the end there from 35 years old. Understood. And let's see if our money, our 20,000 RAS that came out of our pocket, worked there faithfully for us. If compound interest they even offset. Whether it's worth it or not. Well, we will be able to achieve here the heritage of 20,000 RAS. Wearing a dress. No case. After 100 months, in the month 100, here we can reach 20,000 reais here. Landed that came out of our pocket. And then during those 100 months, we contributed the 20,000 RAS. Only during this period, those 12% per year, he were surrendering, were yielding and generated our sweaty little money. Gave it to us, 13,433 reais then. We took 20,000 out of our pocket and we won. Almost 100% of what we invested. Understood. We have already won 13,000 there are 13,433. Look how beautiful people are. Look that. My God, from the sky that Topzera. We go there and invest. 200 RAS per month. Assets reach 20,000 invested. And we win there. 13,433 RAS. Then we take it and decide we don't want to invest anymore. Or the hottest guys over there will keep investing. No, but let's assume that we don't invest anymore. Let's go. Assume we want to leave the money at the destination there. Let's enjoy life. Spend it all. The money we receive per month. We will not invest anything else. But that money that's there, we will leave him surrendering. And the interest that runs there, we will reinvest only the interest from our pocket. It was only the 20,000 reais that we took. We won't take anything else. Understood. So beauty, we will see. Come here with me. Here is next. We contributed, then for 100 months. We put there 100 months, 8 years, and 3 months. With a few more broken, there for 8 years and 3 months we invested 200 reais. We won there. It's 13,000 of interest born. We invested 20,000 during those 8 years and 3 months, and we will have a total accumulated of 33,433 reais. And this accumulated amount of people we will catch. Let's copy it here. We are going to invest as if it were the initial assets here, nor is the heritage that we will have at the moment. There, when it reaches 20,000 RAS, that will come out of our pocket. We will win that 13,000 of interest, right? And we will have a total of an accumulated assets of 33,433 reais. With a penny. Beauty, so this will be our starting value. When we reach that value, right? When we reach 20,000, only then we will stop investing per month. We will leave here. We'll not invest anything else. The rate there will leave us 12%, right? Remembering that this interest rate here, it can vary, right? Can increase, she can rise, clear. If you buy shares, real estate fund, build a very diverse portfolio. You get a lot more than that there. You get much more than 12% a year. Beauty. Then we leave here the period 35 years. It's not 35 years old. Because they have already passed 8 years and 3 months, right? If I enter the here, just for us to calculate right here, are here, or 35 8 years. E 3 months will be 26 years old. And 7 months. So we will leave the money yielding there. Before we can receive dividends, leaving that money there. At the end of 35 years, in case we started to invest at the end of those 26 years and 7 months, how much will we receive? We will have an income here. Oh, in the first month. 320 riyas. Beauty, or 320 riyas that you are already earning there. Understood. After 5 years, we are winning 559 riyas per month. 559 riyas per month. It's beauty. After 10 years, we will be getting 985 riyas. With 30 cents. I don't know that our din is giving us. So we started contributing 20 riyas a month. We are already getting 2468. 4 times more. We are already getting 4 times more than. We are already getting 4 times more than we could think. At the beginning, understood what you see as compound interest. They work there for us. Oh, that is a wonder. Understood. So beauty that after 240 months, that is 10 years. After 10 years, you are receiving interest 3,003 1,000. And 60 rays per month, guys. 3,000 rays per month. Do you know what this is? C receives 3,000 reals per month. Leave here in the comments here what I want to know. Beauty, we go there. We take it and leave the money investing there, right? Keep reinvesting that money here. If you keep working, this is for guys' retirement. Long term. Understood. Then you keep investing. Take all this money here and reinvest, right? For you to create the snowball. You reinvest. No final do period of 320 months giving. Here. For us, 26 years and 6 months. Actually, 26 and 7 months ne. Round there a little bit. We will have a monthly income of 6,000 rays. Per month, we will have invested from our pocket. The 20,000 rays we won about 13,000 there. And the broken ones, right? 433. Then we invested everything, right? Then gives a total there of 43,000. And only interest. We received 659,000. With 605 rees. Interest only, man. And the cumulative total, we will have 693,000. With 38 reais. A lot of money. Born galley. Only interest. Do you know how many that we will receive in interest? Interest we will receive 6,514 reais. With 29 cents, guys. It's a lot of money, right? It's worth it, Noor. Go tell me there. If you leave it to retire, only with the INSS you will receive 1,500 reais. Now if you invest, leave the money yielding there. Invest only 200 reais per month for 8 years. People 8 years. Only for 8 years. And leave the money yielding there. And reinvest that money. You won't be able to move. Invest. Understood. Continue to invest. For you to have a sense, 6,514 reais. They are 4 times more. 4 times more than a minimum wage of 1,500 reais. You are aware, you'll get 4 times more than you expect. Receive there at NSS. The minimum wage is discounted 7.5% of salary. For the NSS, which gives a total of 113 reais. Beauty 113 reais. I'm going to make a content here very quickly. Just so you know. If the person caught right, not invest in salary in no NCS born, but take that money and just invest. Look what you have a notion, how many she would receive. If she lets her wealth accumulate to 20,000 and stop. Here or 20,000 after a 1.3. 126 months. So it's that rule, right? The less you invest, more time you have to let it yield. If you invest more, less time nor. How did she get more time investing? She received 31,000 interest man. When the invested assets that came out of her pocket, there were 20,000, she received 31,000 interest, and the other one there that took 100 months received 13,000 in interest alone. Then she had a total amount of 51,000 raise. Years took 14 years to accumulate 51,000 raise. Then she left the money invested. Interest is the one you yielded. She continued investing. Only from her pocket he didn't take anything else. Over a period of 20 years and 4 months. That she left 35, except the 14 and the broken ones, right? 14 years old and a little, she will have one accumulated assets of 522,000 reals. Do you know how many she's earning interest per month? She will have an income equal to the minimum wage there, which is 1.518 reais. Do you think this is true? Do you think this is true? You think there is? Look here. She will receive, after 35 years old Ali. Since when did she start investing? She will receive 4,916 real, guys. Much more than the minimum wage, right? Then speak. Worth it or not worth it? Of course I'm not talking for you to stop contributing. For NSS. I'm telling you not to just depend on the NSS. Because the NSS also holds you today, right? It's good that you contribute to you. Is insured today. If you don't have an emergency reservation, right? Is there an accident today? Health problem. Received assistance in case disease aid. Something like this, right? But then the contribution of 200 reais. It is a little higher for those who receive the minimum wage, right? But if she invests there, the same amount that is discounted on her salary. From NCS she invests to get a percentage above there. 12% per month. 12%. Year she will receive these 4,000 reais. 4,000. Almost 5,000 reais there per month. Understood. And not only that, right? Of course she will have there. The NTS deal she will receive as well, right? And she will only have invested one period of 10 years, right? But that's it, guys. It's only 1% of the salary she's investing. Nor is it 7% of salary. Well, the correct investment percentage is, everyone sees there how much they can invest. But the good percentage there, at least it has to be about 10% investment. For you to invest, and imagine this one over there, I made a 200 raise. But when you get the taste of the thing, you see that the investments they will yield, surrendering, you see that you are earning more. You're earning more than your salary. Already understood. Before retiring, you are already earning an investment, monthly income and more than your salary. You will want to invest more. Invest more. Understood that you will not invest 200 reais or 300. You will always want to invest more. This is the secret. You always invest more. Understood. For when you get there in retirement, you are shoveling is getting 20, 50, 100,000 reais there per month of salary. Understood. So if you liked this video, leave your like, short share there with your friends, and leave here in the comments which it's your doubt. If you have any suggestions for this video, if you have any suggestions for some upcoming future video, beauty, thank you very much. My name is Ken Omert, and even the next video said I went.